Oshayishios.
Welcome class, today we are gonna do math.
Hello you. Ink teacher.
What did you just say? Did you say?
You're a pile of.
I agree with Fickle, you are a stupid pile of poopy.
I still agree with Jessie, you look like a ugly teacher.
Freaking dare you insult me, swear at me, and cause the whole class to go out of control. That so totally does it. You, along with Dora, Clyde, Rosie, and Noah, go to the principal's office right now.
So Eteled, Fickle, Jessie, an evil alien, why are you four in my office? We got say bad words to me, look. Oh my god, Eteled, Fickle, Jessie, an evil alien, how dare you say bad words? You know bad words is not allowed to do that. That's it, you four are expelled, go freaking home now.
Meanwhile at Eteled's house.
Eteled, how dare you say bad words? That's it, you're grounded for 68,696,493,829 years. Go to your room now.
Meanwhile at Kirk's house.
Oh, Fickle, how dare you say bad words? You know you're not allowed to do that. That's it. You are grounded for 4,444,444,444,444 years. Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.
Meanwhile at Andy's house.
Jessie, how dare you say bad words in school? That's it. You're grounded for 39303930393039303930 years. Go to your room now.
Meanwhile at Alien's house. Evil alien, how dare you say bad words in school? You know the bad words is not allowed in school. That's it. You're grounded for 4 group of 9s years. Go to your room now. Wah.